Okay, guys, part 2. Yes, let's go. My mom's truck. My editors, please put like a laughing emoji over there. Like, bro, I need to make my videos more entertaining. So let's go. Oh yeah, look, my brothers and sisters. They're flying their kites. That's my sister flying her kite. That's my brother flying his kite. And we're packing up right now. Oh no, my Nala is morning. So then there's my Nala. So there's the Nala. Nala.
That's supposed to be like steamed.
Oh, that's why I bought pepper. Put that in there with a Ziploc. I bought that just for camping.
Okay, baby, you're so cute. So I got my chairs over there. Heather's over there, which is my aunt. This is where all the drink is, all the drinks. So that is for us, like all the sodas. Except those are not sodas, but we're not supposed to drink that. And then we could drink the rest. And this is sugar Dr. Pepper, which I might take here in a minute. Actually, I'm just gonna take a juice. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna see you when I get in my truck. Okay, guys, so now I'm in my truck, and I'm gonna get my juice, which is right here. This is a great juice. I love it. Let's just put the camera right here. We all can see the juice from in there. Okay, you can see the juice over here. So the juice is really good. Yeah. Just put the straw here, and then we're gonna get back to. Well, I'm not gonna get back to work because I'm a big buck. I'm a big buck. Oh yeah, you just forgot, huh?
Or if you want to take it off.
Girl, why do you have makeup wipes?
Look
Look at the Susie. She bites people though. She bites people. Look at her. She bites people though. Just warning you. See you in part 3.